Hey friends, today we will learn how to install Windows 11 from USB drive. So we head over to this website that is shown in the screen. The first is to check your system for the system settings and all your hardware. So most of the system, if it is not updated and the hardware is not very good, so it will be failed. Like let me check it for you. So let's download it, and now as you can see that it doesn't meet the required criteria for installation of Windows 11. So most of the system gives the same method. So we use another method to first boot on USB drive and install it from that USB drive. So we go to download now for creation of the media, and we get to the application. It will take some time, but it will work. Now it's loading all the tools required to create the media, except we go to uncheck, as we are now creating only the media creation. So we go next and we select USB flash drive. So as currently there is no USB, let me plug in one for you. So as we can see, we have plugged one USB drive and it's shown here. We get next. So now as we can see that the file has been downloaded, and when we plug in to our system, it will start booting from the USB and will give us this screen. So we click on next and click on install now. Due to its installation time, it takes some time, so I'll pause it in the time to come. When the next screen comes up, I will show you that also. So now we have this screen. So normally our Windows have been already digitally signed in, or if you have purchased it online from Microsoft, or you have any product key, so just enter it. Or in my case, I have purchased it and my Windows is genuine, so I click on this. I don't have a product key, so it will now go to the next screen, and here we have different options for installing Windows. So I prefer Windows 11 Pro. Click on next. So as we can see that it's showing us that this PC does not support. So in your case, it will support Windows because there are some conditions which needs to be met to install your Windows. So as you have seen that initially I run the media check, and due to which my PC doesn't support those, so it's giving. However, the method from onward, this step is very straightforward and have no complexity. Your system supports all the features. I'll show you the conditions also. So as shown on the screen, these are the minimal requirements, hardware requirements for installing Windows 11. So processor must be 1 gigahertz or faster, RAM must be 4 GB, and storage space must be 64 GB. the graphics card, and also this value TPM must be 2.0. So let me show you of my system, which is not 2.0, so it will show you that so as we can see that it doesn't show you any TPM value because it's less than 2. Now I'll show you the second system, in which I have already installed Windows 11, and I'll show its TPM value also. Now as you can see that this is the interface, default interface of Windows 11. So as we can see the taskbar, I want to check the TPM value of this system. Now it's loading the TPM value. So as we can see that it has been loaded, and it's showing us that it supports the TPM management. So with this we can see that we can use Windows 11 on this system, which I have already installed. For demo purposes, I'll show you its interface. So this is the key point to figure out whether your system supports the Windows 11 or not. Some system, if it doesn't show you that your system supports due to media check, but the TPM value must be checked first. So if it shows you the TPM value, so then you have to install it using bootable USB drive, which I have shown you earlier, and also you can download it and then burn it on your USB drive or optical drive. Both methods are applicable and can be used to install Windows 11. I hope you have learned how to install Windows 11 from USB drive. Thank you.